Hello students, welcome to the first session of class 11th, subject Information Technology, stream Art, Science and Commerce. Objective of this session to understand the evaluation pattern, to understand marks distribution chapter wise, paper pattern for term 1 and term 2, internal evaluation through practical and the weightage of the practical. Title of the chapter. In IT, we have four theory chapter. First chapter, Basics of Information Technology. Second, Introduction to DBMS. Third, Impressive Web Designing. Fourth, Cyber Law. In IT, we have six practicals. First practical, Daily Computing, LibreOffice. Second, Web Designing, HTML5. Third, client-side scripting, JavaScript, accounting package, GNU Khata, daily content creation, GIMP and Inkscape, and the last, DBMS, PostgreSQL. What ability, knowledge, and skill set would be developed after completing the above portion? Key concept to create basic understanding about IT enabled technologies, to acquire technical knowledge about different type of softwares, to acquire knowledge about open source software, to make the student aware about database concept, to acquire knowledge about web page development, to get technical knowledge to create dynamic web page, to make students socially aware while using internet and computers, to create awareness about ethical ways of dealing with web world, to develop ability to use workspace productive tool, to introduce skill set regarding use of computerized accounting, to create and edit image by using different tools. This would be the overall output that a student would get after completing the portion or after understanding the subject IT in 11th standard. Evaluation. In IT, we will be having four theory paper and one practical. First unit test and second unit test would be for 25 marks. Term 1 would be for 50 marks and term 2 would be for 80 marks. The practical would be for 20 marks. Marks distribution for term 1. Chapter 1, Basics of Information Technology would be for 30 marks. Introduction to DBMS would be for 20 marks. Marks distribution for term 2, chapter 1 would be for 20 marks. Introduction to DBMS 15 marks. Chapter 3, Impressive Web Designing 30 marks. Chapter 4, Cyber Law for 15 marks. Paper pattern for term 1. Fill in the blanks would be for 5 marks, in which there would be 5 questions. State true or false for 5 marks, 5 questions. MCQ single answer 10 marks, 10 question. MCQ 2 correct answer 10 marks, 5 questions. MCQ 3 answers 6 marks, 2 questions. Match the following 4 marks, 4 question. Answer in brief 10 marks, 8 questions, out of which we need to attempt any 5. Term 2 paper pattern. This would be for 80 marks. So first is fill in the blanks, 10 marks, 10 questions. State true or false, 10 marks, 10 questions. MCQ single answer, 10 marks, 10 questions. MCQ 2 answers, 20 marks, 10 questions. MCQ 3 answers, 6 marks, 2 questions. Match the following 4 marks, 4 questions. Answer in brief, 10 marks. 8 questions, out of which we need to attempt any 5. Then we have write code in HTML, 5 marks. 2 questions, out of which we need to attempt any 1. Write program in JavaScript, 5 marks. 2 questions, out of which we need to attempt any 1. Practical question. This would be for 20 marks. In practical, the student have to attempt any one practical from the skill set that have been taught in his college or her college. The mark scheme is as follows. The 15 marks is given for program and execution. The distribution is as follows. Writing the code 10 marks, execution 5 marks, complete journal with certification would be 5 marks. The total becomes 20 marks.